Here, I didn't start my video to now, so I'm gonna press the button. So.
Yeah, this was Fujitec body.
Yeah.
Here we go.
And here's your view.
Please don't tell me this is hydraulic. Oh god, this is hydraulic.
Yep.
Well, that makes this lovely.
Yeah, this
We're
one.
about as high as that tree right there.
Yeah. So this one isn't low on oil, interestingly enough. It's like the other two garages are, but this one
This is
isn't.
innovation security.
Yeah.
It tried to light off the. I'm like spamming it, and then it lit up for like 1 second.
Huh. So the light just doesn't work, huh?
Yeah. These are Fujitec that were modded by General. But these are still like, they're kind of Fujitec.
Yeah.
Because like of the door crash time. All that.
So yeah, again, this elevator, it's stuck up on the 4th floor, I think.
Yeah. Okay, you can see it from the shaft.
Oh yeah. You can see it. The other car is just up there.
Okay, that's not like, don't let it touch.
Yeah. I don't even know if it does nudge, but yeah. So.
There it goes, and that will be it.
That's it.